Hello everyone, my name is Navid and this is HyperPix. Okay, I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another tutorial of our another text effect. As you can see, this is a Chrome text effect and it has a very Chrome outline and also some classic gradient as you can see. But you wouldn't believe how easy it is to use and to change. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this, but if you want to download this text effect, all you gotta do is hit hyperpix.net and get this and hundreds of other text effects for your next design. Okay, right click on the layer and you can edit the text from here. Don't worry, all the fonts has been presented to you, so don't worry about that. Write your own text. I'm going to write here Chrome mockup. There it is. Okay, you can also modify the variables. You can also change the spaces here, also the height of the text. If you want to change the font, I recommend you just use 100% here. Okay, you can also change the size. Okay, I'm done here. Close the window and choose yes. There it is. Okay, as you can see, text effect has been applied as good as it gets. Okay, let me show you how it works. We got other two texts here, and they're also editable. Just write whatever you want, and you can also change the size and the text. Okay, we got a folder of sparkles. As you can see, these colory sparkles. As you can see, I recommend you to put them where they must go, wherever you want them to be. Okay, just put them on the edges. I recommend you. Okay, I think it's not gonna take more than 2 minutes. All right, I think you got the gist of it. So, but you take your time and do all of them. Okay, next one is a style folder. I just recommend you just don't touch it because it contains the technical design on it. Okay, next one is the light folder. There is a color in the background. As you can see, you can change its color. Like, yeah, there it is. And the last one is the light folder. As you can change its color. It adds a little bit of bigger size. Very easy to use, as you can see. You can also choose and edit this text and within every language. That's unbelievable. Okay. You can also apply this to your own logo. Let's see how it works. Right click on the yellow layer and choose edit content and import our logo. There it is. I'm going to import it here. I'm going to put it in the middle. There it is. Okay, I'm going to close these two layers and also close the window to be saved. There it is. Boom. There it is. So as you can see, our style has been applied to this text as easy as it gets. Just look at those gradients in the outline. You can also put these sparkles, place them where they should go. Okay. Let me show you how it works. Okay, we're done here. As you can see, this is priceless. This is amazing. If you just want to remove them, right click on it and okay, I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you want to get this, go to hyperpix.net and download this and hundreds of other text effects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell beside it. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and this is Navid, HyperPix.